The biggest challenge was caused by the growth of the business, and it was quite overwhelming at the very beginning. Our mission is to make cities for people, not cars. We develop products that encourage people to give up their regular usage of the cars and use instead more sustainable ways of moving around the cities. My name is Łukasz Grądzki. I represent Bolt. Bolt is a super app from Europe with over 200 million users across mostly Europe and Africa. We are present in over 50 countries and 600 cities. Our mission is to make cities for people, not cars. We develop products that encourage people to give up their regular usage of the cars and use instead more sustainable ways of moving around the cities, like ride-hailing, food delivery, using maybe the micro-mobility. That means car sharing, electric scooters, electric bikes, and so on. The biggest challenge was caused by the growth of the business, and it was quite overwhelming at the very beginning. Our infrastructure, especially data infrastructure, didn't catch up with that. We reached a moment where previously used technology, it was MySQL back in the days, we were not able to scale it up any further. And some of the shortcuts that we did at the very early days of the company, having like very centralized services and so on, it was very difficult to split them and shard them. So we found ourselves in the moment where some of the huge tables couldn't be modified anymore. And well, because of the size they had. And we were searching for other technology that is compatible with MySQL, but at the same time gives much better flexibility in terms of the scalability of the infrastructure. First of all, it scales much more seamlessly. It requires much less effort from our engineers to scale up or scale down our clusters depending on how the business goes, because TiDB is cloud native and majority of our services are in the cloud. So it integrates perfectly with what we need. Apart from that, as it scales very well horizontally, it also gives us more time to fix particular issues that we have probably created with, let's say, not the best decisions made in the past, like making some of the schemas that are maybe too big or to centralize. Having this headroom gives us more time to redesign and improve our overall architecture. If you expect that your business will be growing or you have the first signs of this kind of exponential growth, TiDB at least is the option to consider. And also, especially if your applications are quite tight and depending on solutions compatible with MySQL.